Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zelda music. To begin, let's explore the foundational elements that define this iconic sound. We'll delve into the characteristic instrumentation, often blending orchestral grandeur with nostalgic chiptune elements. Understanding the recurring melodic motifs and harmonic progressions is crucial for capturing that authentic Hyrule feel. This initial step sets the stage for crafting your own memorable adventure themes. The heart of Zelda's music lies in its diverse instrumentation. Think grand orchestral sections with sweeping strings, powerful brass, and delicate woodwinds. Crucially, blend these with classic 8-bit or chiptune sounds to evoke that nostalgic early game era. Don't forget to layer in unique sound effects, like the distinct chime of a puzzle solved or the rustle of leaves, to truly immerse your listener in the world. Crafting compelling melodies is paramount. Aim for simple, yet incredibly memorable lines that can be easily hummed. Experiment with modal scales, particularly the Dorian and Mixolydian modes, which lend a distinct heroic or mystical quality. A powerful technique is using leitmotifs short, recurring musical phrases associated with specific characters, items, or locations, helping to weave a rich narrative tapestry throughout your composition. When structuring your piece, think dynamically. Start with an engaging introduction, develop your main themes, and build towards a satisfying climax. Vary your instrumentation and intensity across different sections to maintain listener interest. For game implementation, design your track to loop seamlessly, ensuring a smooth and non-repetitive experience for players. A well-structured piece can transport listeners directly into an epic quest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.